Welcome to JH. I've been using Jardient Batana oil for my hair and skin, and I can honestly say it feels like a genuine hidden gem. The oil has a rich texture, but it absorbs smoothly without leaving you looking like a deep-fried snack, which is a rare win in the beauty world. When I applied it to my hair, I noticed a natural shine and softness that made it feel significantly healthier and easier to manage. Over time, it's managed to reduce dryness and frizz while making my scalp feel nourished. Because apparently, looking like you've been through a wind tunnel isn't the trend this season. It's a treatment that is both gentle and effective, quickly becoming a staple in my self-care routine. What I really appreciate about Jardient Batana oil is how versatile it is. I use a few drops on my skin after showering, and it leaves me feeling hydrated and smooth without any heavy residue. It has a natural, earthy scent that makes it feel pure and authentic, rather than smelling like a chemistry lab explosion. A little goes a long way, so the bottle actually lasts, unlike my patience for overpriced beauty fads. Overall, it's a high-quality oil that delivers real results and gives you that satisfying feeling of treating yourself to something that isn't just marketing fluff.